Hi, welcome to our channel. Pete's Luminous Creations produces innovative glow-in-the-dark products which enhances safety when there is sudden darkness due to a power failure or blown bulb. We would like to introduce our latest product called Glow Light. Ever got caught in a situation where the lights go out suddenly either due to a power failure or blown bulbs? Well, Glow Light absorbs and stores light in a similar manner as how photosynthesis works. It then releases the stored light when it is dark in the form of a bright glow. The glow is bright enough to assist in changing the blown out bulb in the dark or as a night light. No more fumbling in the dark when a bulb blows out suddenly. Get Glow Light.